Welcome to CabiAI. Let's build a complete cabinet together, from the very first dimensions all the way to a cutting file that's ready to send straight to the machine.
Let's start with the basics, the cabinet's overall dimensions. In the form on the right, you set the width, height, and depth. These are the dimensions every module in the project shares, and from them, the system derives all the rest of the calculations.
Now you pick the module from the library, here a cabinet. The structure type, for example a four-sided carcass, defines how the parts connect, and the material thickness, which directly affects the internal dimensions and the cut. In the sheet settings, you choose the board type and set the spacing between parts. The spacing must be at least the width of your cutting blade, otherwise the parts get cut into each other and the whole board goes to waste. In advanced nesting, when you're working with natural wood, it's important to mark "Don't rotate." That way all the parts stay in the same grain direction, and the finished cabinet looks uniform and professional. Here you also set the arrangement order on the board. You can separate the fronts and the carcass onto a different material from the cabinet body. That way you use the expensive, decorative material only where it's seen, and save significantly on the overall cost. Finally, you click Generate Layout, and the system builds an optimal cutting layout, ready straight for the machine. From here, you export everything: NC and DXF files, labels, a price quote, or all of it in a single package. And that's it, from an idea to a production file, in just a few minutes. Now it's your turn. Build your very first project in CabiAI.